Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a practical guide to repairing common tailoring flaws in your business clothing. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, knowing how to address these issues can save you money and ensure you always present your best self. Let's start with the most common issue: loose seams. Over time, seams can come undone, especially in high stress areas like under the arms or along the side seams of a skirt or pants. The fix? It's usually a straightforward hand stitching job. You'll need a needle, thread that matches your garment, and a few basic stitches. Simply thread your needle, not the end, and re-stitch the seam, following the original stitch line as closely as possible. A simple running stitch or backstitch is usually sufficient. Remember to secure your stitches at the beginning and end to prevent them from unraveling again. Next up, we have popped buttons. This is a quick fix but can be a frequent problem. Keep a small sewing kit with matching thread and spare buttons in your desk or briefcase. When a button pops off, thread your needle, double the thread for extra strength, and sew the button back on. Make sure to sew it securely, reinforcing the stitches. A good tip is to sew the button on with a small shank, which allows the button to sit away from the fabric, making it easier to button and unbutton. Now, let's talk about small tears or snags. These can happen on delicate fabrics. For small tears, a simple repair can often do the trick. If the tear is small, you might be able to use a nearly invisible stitch to close it. For snags, carefully pull the loose thread to the inside of the garment with a needle or crochet hook. Then, gently secure the thread to prevent further unraveling. For more significant tears, consider patching the area from the inside. This is where a tailor or a more skilled hand stitcher might be needed. Another common issue is a hem that's come undone. Whether it's a skirt, pants, or a jacket sleeve, a fallen hem is easy to fix. You'll need an iron, thread, needle, and possibly some pins. First, iron the hem to create a crisp edge. Then, pin the hem in place, ensuring it's even all the way around. Use a blind stitch or a slip stitch to reattach the hem, making sure the stitches are hidden. This will give your garment a clean, professional finish. Finally, let's briefly touch on alterations. Sometimes, your clothes might not fit quite right. If you're comfortable with sewing, you can attempt minor alterations like taking in a waist or shortening sleeves. However, for more complex alterations, it's always best to consult a professional tailor. They have the expertise and tools to make your clothes fit perfectly. Remember, taking care of your business clothing is an investment. By knowing how to repair these common tailoring flaws, you can extend the life of your garments, save money, and always look your best. Thanks for watching.